You give a lot of feedback. You smile at people. You're so encouraging and warm. And so many people aren't like that because honestly, they're just not thinking about it.
Yeah,
They're
no.
listening, but they're distracted. They're thinking about what they're going to make for dinner. And because we get so self-conscious up there, we interpret those signs as being about us.
Yes.
And then we try to, block them and just stay in our heads so that we're not hurt by them.
Yeah.
And what I try to help people do is what I call break down the wall between you and the audience. And even the person who's like on their phone and they're just seemingly totally distracted, to approach them with generosity.
Yeah.
Like try to help open them up to the experience. Even if that person stays on their phone and doesn't look up, the act of trying to do that then permeates the room and
Hmm.
people feel like welcomed and connected to.